Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are already a subscriber by now. If you're not, please hit the bell icon right now. Now, the counseling is about to begin. How do you decide if this college is better than that college? If college A should be up in the priority list than college B? So you need to do the groundwork. You need to do your own research. Do not believe in what someone else is saying. They might have asked from somebody else, but you need to figure out it yourself because you are the one who is going to spend the 3 years in the college, or maybe more if there's a bond. So you need to figure this out for yourself. How do you do that? How do you do the groundwork? Okay? So you need to decide. Like for me, I wanted to do ophthalmology, so I set up 7 to 8 criteria or 7 to 8 questions that I'm going to ask about that college to rate that college. Starting from the non-academic part. How much is the stipend? Is the stipend paid on time? Does the stipend increase every year? Do we have an accommodation? Do we have services for any food? Do we have an accommodation that's good enough? Or I need to rent an apartment. Coming to the academic part, are there enough academic activities? Are there seminars conducted? Do they allow us to go for conferences? Do they promote going for conferences? Are there publications? Does the department promote publications? For Ophthal, I wanted to ask if there is a good hands-on. How many cases SICS particularly a resident does before they exit? If they allow me to do phacoemulsification surgery, what all other surgeries are given to the residents? Is there enough exposure to the super specialty departments like vitreoretinal services, glaucoma, cornea, neuro-ophthal? So, is there enough super specialty exposure? Are there any fellowships? Are the fellows coming in? How much is the OPD number on a daily basis? Is there any camp activity? That's very prominent in Ophthal. Do they send the doctors for camps? So you never know. The college that goes far below has all these criteria that are suitable to you. Again, a bias comes if that's near to your place, if that's closer to your home. So you need to figure these things for yourself. You can't ask me or somebody else if this college is better than that college. A lot of factors go in deciding if this college goes up in the ladder or no for you. That's why there's a counseling each for one person. So you need to figure these things for yourself. Similarly, for other branches, you need to decide for yourself what is better for you or what is worse for you. Is the super specialty exposure important? Is academics important? Is the cutting important? Is the faculty important? So these things need to be done yourself. How do you get to know all these things? Figure out from the previous merit list what all colleges are available around that rank that you have achieved. Go on Google, वहाँ पे you will get college का number. Call that number. Try to get the resident's number. You will most definitely get the resident's number. Speak with them. Ask them these questions. Ask them what's the suitable time to talk to them. If you are able to get all these information, then you will have a list. But you need to prepare this list before the counseling begins. Okay? Because once the counseling begins, nobody is going to pick your call. You need to do the groundwork right now. Later, nobody is going to help you. All the groups are also not going to help you because they will not tell the real information. Everybody needs residents. It's been 17 months. So you need to figure, maybe talk to 2 people from the same college. I have a Telegram group, I have a WhatsApp group. There are about 4,000-5,000 people on the WhatsApp groups. You can take help. If you give help, then you can take help. So give some college ka good information, maybe from your college. If you have any information, share your number on the Telegram group. Be available for help so that the other person will be available to help. That's how it works. So share the information you have and the other person will help you. The links of the groups are there in the description. Do join the groups and then let's figure out, and if I am able to help, I'll help you. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Share this video as much as possible. Love you all.